Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Karen to Clean. We are in our guest room upstairs and we have decided to go ahead and get the ceiling painted white. It was kind of like an eggshell cream color, and we want all of our ceilings to kind of be white. The game room has already been done, and I will make sure to link the video to it too in the description box. And the hallway, I didn't like record or film the hallway because it's kind of like a small hallway upstairs. So I just did it off camera, but it is white also. And so it was time to do the guest room. And we did the game room, I think it was back in the fall of 2023. So yeah, we're just now getting to it in the guest room. But hey, better late than never, right? So anyway, that's what we're doing. And we're also installing a new ceiling fan. My husband, let's see, yeah, so that's the old ceiling fan right there that's on the ceiling, and later on you'll see him like installing the new ceiling fan. But anyway, I'm gonna play some music for you guys, and I just hope you enjoy this video and gives you some inspiration to do like a room makeover. I wanted to kind of make the correction real quick. I believe the game room makeover, I'm not sure. I think it might have been at the end of summertime into fall or something like that. But anyway, I will make sure to link it in the description box in this video here. Anyway, I do hope you like, comment, subscribe, definitely subscribe so you get all notifications, and make sure you hit the notification bell and hit all to get all the notifications for when I post. And make sure you visit the community tab page, because I will post important information about my channel there. Plus I will post like upcoming new videos that's going to be coming up. So, and then you can also check me out on Instagram too. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and play some music for you guys. Thank you for stopping by, and like I said, put an emoji or give me a comment to let me know you're watching. Bye guys.